Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today's video I have this gorgeous unit from Luvmehair to show you guys. This is a lace front unit. It's a coily lace front unit, guys, and this is how nice the coils are. Okay, the coils are coiling, looking all lush and beautiful. This is how good the coils are. And this unit, it's a 13 by 4 lace front unit, and it has an elastic band in it. So with this elastic band, guys, we're not adding any glue in installing or wearing this unit. Okay, so we're doing the glueless method for this installation. So now let me show you guys this lace. Okay, the lace of this unit, guys. Like, this is a perfect lace. It blends so well, it looks so seamless, and it just, it's good, guys. Okay, like, it is a good lace. Okay, so right now I'm going to cut the lace net at the front, and after cutting it, I'm going to go ahead and like pluck it a little. I'm going to pluck it a little because this is what it looks like right now, and I'm not going to leave the wig like this. Okay, so I'm going to pluck it a little and just make sure it is natural, and this is what I have. Okay, and after plucking it, I'm just going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb, melt it down and make it look all nice and beautiful, and this is what I have. Okay, now one thing with this glueless unit or glueless wig is that it makes wearing your frontal very easy, guys. It just makes it very easy, and that is the goal for me for this installation. Like, you can just carry your frontal and just straight on your head and you're good to go. Make sure it is, just apply water to your coily unit. And one thing with the coily unit, guys, is that you just need water and your foaming mush. That is just it. Water and your foaming mush and you're good to go.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I do I, baby, why do I, baby, why do I?
And this is what the wet look of this unit looks like, and I'm going to let this dry for some time. I'm going to use my blow dryer to blow dry this unit. Before I'm going to blow dry this unit, I'm just going to use my elastic band to just melt the unit down some more, and then after which I'm going to blow dry the hair.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
It's how natural this unit is for me, guys. Like, now it is fully dried and you guys can see the volume of this unit looking so full, and the lace is just, blending and melting so well. Everything is just looking put together, very beautiful and natural, guys. And this is what the unit looks like so far, and I'm just going to style it a bit, and that is it for this installation, guys.
About you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so.
And please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Also, guys, I'm going to leave all details to this unit in the description box. This unit, once again, is from Luvmehair, and this is their coily unit, and we're just doing a little bit of styling here, just so spice up things a little bit. And that is it for this video. So I'll see you all in my next video.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life dressed like another season. Not for them, just a time, dressed like another season. You came into my life dressed like another season. Not for them, just a time, dressed like another season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall